Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options, select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time, and this will boot us into the bootloader. There we go. Now in here you'll be using volume buttons to navigate, and you can see each one of the options being visible right here one by one. So we have power off, start, which takes us back to Android, restart bootloader, which just brings it back in here, recovery mode takes us to recovery mode, power off, and we're just basically starting over the cycle. So whatever option you have selected that you want to utilize, you will then press power button to confirm it. So because I want to go back to Android, which start would do that, I'm gonna press power button when it's selected, and this will now boot me back up into Android. And as you can see, here we are. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.